yung mga bulaklak ng mga
Hello everybody! Dito po na for the first time ko ever by Ana and Erica. But, ako lang po mag-isa. Sabi ko lang, Ana and Erica. Ana and Erica ko po. Ana. With the sudden to that door, did the creative at anymore, who knew we owned a thousand salad breaks. Stories that from this empty house, why have a ballroom with no box? Finally, the opening of the gate. Will be actually logical. You feel totally strange. But while I so ready for this change, for the first time in forever, Derby music Derby live. For the first time in forever, I'll be talking to the night. Don't know if I'm elated or dancing, but I'm going for the first time in forever. I won't be alone. It's all one. The night imagine me getting well. Continue to drive out the sidewalk. Picture of the and twisting. Oh, suddenly standing there, a beautiful stranger called unfair. I wanna stop some chocolate in my face. But then we looked and talked all evening, which is totally bizarre. Nothing like the life that's tonight so far. For the first time in forever, there'll be magic, there'll be fun. For the first time in forever, despite someone. And I know it's totally crazy to dream my time of this. For the forever. I believe I got a chance. Elsa. To let me in. To let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Don't feel, gonna show, make one wrong wheels and everyone will know. I said no, but songs for today, it's happening tomorrow. The Lord has to open up the gate again. It's for the first time in forever. Don't let them in, don't let them see. I'm getting what I'm dreaming of. Be the good girl, you always have to be. A chance to change my world. Conceal. A chance to find true love. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. And it all ends tomorrow, so it has to be today. It's like the first time in forever. First time in forever. Nothing's in my way. Thank you, thank you, thank you.